So in this video I'm going to show you how to send large files using Google Drive. So what we need to do is go to our Google Drive. As you can see, I'm already logged into it, but what you need to do if you can't find it, go to Google, search for Google Drive, and the first link will provide you a link to your Google Drive. Make sure you are logged in by checking this profile icon on the right top, and once you have done that, click on the link and you will be redirected to this site. Now, what we are going to do is basically to make a folder. Let's say you want to share large files. Most of the times a large file is added in a folder that are multiple files, so it is a big file together. And what we are going to do is we want to share this big file. So for now I will go to this folder and I click on the three dots, click on share, and then copy link. If you copy this link, then you can send it to someone and you can share the large file with this person. It's very easy. I also will show you how to upload a large file. I'm not going to give you an example of a large file, I will just upload a small file. But as you can see, we have 15 gigabytes of storage in this drive, so it's a lot. You can share big files with them. Now, what I will do is go to the plus sign on the left here and click on new and then file upload. And if you want to upload a large file, let's say this is a large file, you can open it. It's now uploading over here on the right corner. As you can see, it's successfully uploaded. And now you can click on the folder to search for the file location. Once you have done this, then you can continue with the sharing process as I did before. Just click on the three dots, go to share, click on copy link and send it to the person you want to share it with. And that is how you share a large file using Google Drive.